This is PZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set work address on ubereats. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A food delivery subsidiary of the Uber car service that has launched in 2040, customers read the participating restaurant menus online and place their order accordingly. Payment is made with the same app used for Uber rides. Although Uber ride highly plummeted during the 2020 pandemic, Uber's revenue surge as might have been expected. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to create your Uber Eats account, how to set up your home address. But now, what if you want to add your work address on your Uber Eats? So it will be easier if you want to order food to your workplace. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Uber Eats app. Now, from here, you can go to your address by tapping on the up left corner here. So here's you'll find there's an option set work. You can just tap on that. And then here you can search for your address. For the example, I will search for this address. I will choose this address as my. Now you can choose your building type, office. You can choose an office. You can enter the business name, Fizzy. You can choose the suite or floor. You can choose the instruction for the drop-off option. Meet at my door or meet outside, meet in the lobby. And you can also add picture and instruction in here if you want to. Choose on update and don't forget to label it as your workplace. You can choose on work after you finish. And also you can add pin in here. After you finish, you can just choose on save and continue. So now you have two labeled address. That's for your home place and also your workplace. It's very simple, right? So that is how to set your work address on Uber Eats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.